Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll guide you on how to create resource allocation plans using ASANA Workload, your complete 2025 guide. Let's dive right in. The first thing we need to do is open ASANA and click on the Portfolio tab. It's here that you'll find Workload. It's important to start here because this is the hub for all your project management and resource allocation needs. Now that we've done that, click on the Workload view. The reason we do this is to get a complete overview of all your team's tasks and their workload. This helps us because we can see who is overworked and who has some spare capacity. Next up, click on the Settings icon in the top right corner and select Capacity. Here, you can set the capacity for each team member. This is a critical step because it allows you to make more informed decisions about distributing tasks based on each member's capacity. Once you've set the capacity, it's time to distribute tasks. Click on a task and drag it to a team member's workload. This step is crucial because it's where you'll be balancing your team's workload, thus ensuring that no one is overwhelmed and every task is accounted for. Finally, it's time to monitor your team's workload. Check back regularly to ensure that tasks are completed on time and the workload is balanced. This is essential because it allows you to identify any potential bottlenecks and address them promptly. Let me explain why this matters. Resource allocation is vital for maximizing productivity and ensuring smooth project execution. By understanding who's doing what and when, we can avoid overloading team members, thus minimizing burnout and enhancing efficiency. And there you have it. That's how you create a resource allocation plan using ASANA Workload. Remember, good project management is all about regular monitoring and adjusting as necessary. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep those projects running smoothly.